Hi, good day everyone. I am here again for another video tutorial. Today, we will going to learn about a mathematical investigation, and I will going to discuss on how to get or investigate a specific problem or a specific mathematical problem. But before we proceed to our discussion, let me introduce myself to you. I am Mark Joseph Picampay. Currently, I'm studying at Northern Iloilo State University, taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education or Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics. So I am a third year college student. So are you ready to listen? All right, I know you are ready. So let's proceed to our discussion. So this is a mathematical investigation video tutorial. And once again, I am Mark Joseph Picampay, and this video is going to submit to our Professor Gregory V. So, what is mathematical investigation? So, on our screen, the introduction here, a mathematical investigation allows students to examine situations using various techniques and in the process of their exploration, develop skills that can be applied to other problems rather. So let's proceed to our steps on getting a mathematical investigations. So we have here the process or the steps of mathematical investigation. First, we have the statement of the problem. Second is organize and record data. Third is gestating or taking a break. Fourth, make a conjecture. Fifth is verify the conjecture. Sixth is justify the conjecture. And seven is the summarize. So are you ready to our statement of the problem? Yes, are you ready? So our statement of the problem here is state that a father is 6 times as old as his son. In 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Find their present ages. So I will be read again. A father is 6 times as old as his son. In 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. So find their present ages. So this is the father and this is the son. So what are we going to do? To find their present ages. So the second step in mathematical investigation is organize and record data. So the son would be X. The present age of the son is X, and the father present age is 6X because 6 times. So what is the actual age of the son and the father actual age? So that is question mark. So in age in 20 years, the age of the son is equation is x plus 20 and the father is 6x plus 20. So the actual age in 20 years is also a question. So these are the solution on getting an actual age and the actual age in 20 years. So we have here the equation. The 6x plus 20 is equal to 2 quantity x plus 20 because he said earlier it's twice and 6 times. So this is the equation here. 6x plus 20 is equal to 2 quantity x plus 20. So the solution here is 6x plus 20 is equal to 2 times x plus 20. So 6x plus 20 is equal to 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 20 is 40. So we will be going to transpose the 2x to another side. So 6x minus 20 minus 2x is equal to 40 minus 20, because the 20 here is we will going to transpose to another side. So 6x minus 2x is 4x is equal to 40 minus 20 is 20. So 4x is equal to 20. So what are we going to do? Let's divide this both sides on 4 to get the x. So 4x divided by 4 is x, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the x here is 5. So the present age of the son is 5 years old, and the father present age is 30, because 6 times 5 is 30. So do you get it? All right. So the present age of the son is 5 years old, and the present age of the father is 30 years old, because we substitute the value of x, which is 5, to the 6x that the father's present age. Do you get it what I said? Yes. Thank you so much for your listening. So the third process, or the third steps of mathematical investigation, is just taking a break. So we will be uh, we will be having a break, or we will analyze the problem. So are you ready to investigate our problem? All right. So let's proceed to another step. So the step here is making a conjecture. From the previous slide, the given table represents the age of the son and the father from the present to future, which is 20 years after. So this table represents the present age of the son, which is 5 years old, and the present age of the father is 30 years old. And after 20 years, so the equation here is x plus 20 and 6x plus 20. So x would be 5. So 5 plus 20 is 25, and 6x would be 30. So 30 plus 20 is 50. So the actual age in 20 years, both the son and the father age is 25 and 50. And we all know that 25 is, if we multiply this into 2, that would be 50. So we can say that the age of the son is twice than the father. So our equation is correct. So let's proceed to another step. Here is verifying the conjecture. So let's proceed to our problem. So we will going to make another problem and prove if the solution or the formula that we use is correct. So the problem here is the mother is 8 times as old as her daughter. In 20 years, she will be twice as old as her daughter. Find their present age. So the same procedure, the same solution that we are going to use. So, but the difference here from the previous slide is 6 times, but this time is 8 times. So let's prove if this is correct. If the age of the daughter of the mother to her daughter in 20 years is twice or not. So let's proceed to our table. So our table here represent the present age and the age in 20 years of the mother and the daughter. So the equation of, so let's represent the daughter present age as x and the mother is 8x. So the actual age is question mark, both mother and daughter. So in age in 20 years is x plus 20 and the mother is 8x plus 20. So the same as actual age. So an actual age in 20 years would be question mark also. So are we going to uh, know the solution if this is correct or not? So let's proceed to our solution. Here state that 8x plus 20 is equal to 2 quantity x plus 20 and 8x plus 20 is equal to 2x because 2 times x is 2x plus 40 because 2 times 20 is 40. So let's transpose this 2x to another side. So 8x minus 20 or minus 2x rather is equal to 40. And this 20 we will going to transpose here to another side. So 40 minus 20 is 20 and 8x minus 2x is 6x. So what are we going to do? 6x, we will going to divide this both sides to 6x. So 6x divided by 6 is x and 20 divided by 6 is 3.3333 and so on and so forth. So let's move on to another step. So the step is justify. So let's prove if this equation that we use is correct or not. So we'll see. So the daughter present age would be x and the mother present age would be 8x. So our actual age of daughter is 3.333 something. So 3.33 and something times 8 would be 26.64. That would be the age of the mother. So in 20 years, the age of the daughter would be 23.33 something because x here is 3.333 and we are going to add the 20. So 3.333 plus 20 is 23.33. Then the 8x here is 26.64. The same procedure. Let's add 20 here. So 26.64 plus 20 is 46.64. So we all know that when we divide this 46.64, the answer would be 23.23. So the equation that we use is correct because the mother age is twice than her daughter age. So that is correct. So let's proceed to our next step. So, but before that, this is the mother and this is the daughter. So this Next step is the summarize. So from our investigation, we discovered that the formula that we use, 8x plus 20 is equal to 2 quantity x plus 20 is true. If you will find out that the age is twice bigger than the present age after 20 years. So in our previous slide on our statement of the problem, we will use um, we use the 6x because 6 times that is the father and the son age. So we all know that the father age is twice bigger than the son, which is 50 and 25. So the age of the son is 25 and the age of father is 50 after 20 years. So on our previous slides is we make another example or another problem that we are going to use this equation or the formula. So the equation of the mother and daughter would be 8x plus 20 is equal to 2 quantity 8x 2 quantity x plus 20. And we all know that it is true because after 20 years, the age of the daughter is 23.33 and the age of the mother is 46.64. So the mother age is twice bigger or twice bigger than the than her daughter age. So we all know that the equation that we use is correct and legit. That the mother is twice bigger than her daughter age. So that would be all. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you will learn about my mathematical investigation video tutorial about the age. And um, I know that this is not the this is not the last video that I will make for you guys, and we will see you soon, very very soon. So thank you so much for your cooperation, and thank you for watching. God bless us, and goodbye.